stories. Government to launch Go to School program with an aim to bring about quality education in state. Student organization, civil bodies take out procession against CA bill. And MP Bes Barua refuses to be part of suggested panel for implementation of Clause 6 of Assam Accord. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur, the news read by HARIPRIYAR. And now let's have the news in details. State government to launch Go to School program to bring about quality education in the state. Here's a report.
As part of various development works being taken up by the state government, Chief Minister and Viren-led government is now planning to start Go to School program to bring about quality education in Manipur. In an exclusive conversation with Tom TV News, Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam said the state government has its main emphasis on health sector and education. As such, the Go to School program will help develop education sector in the state.
School kharada ka amakhaktang leiraga class ahum toramba oja amaktana class ahum loramba adum warpa leibe yaurame adigi toilet leitabari nupi misa sing school ka da leiri sumaina warpa leibe singse basic oibese hanna paikhala kanda dakar leiba akoi basic ki oiba yanan begi step ki angang sing like tamnabase masigi yengse na adumaina akoi ahanba school chatsi haidana go to village go to hills adugi type ta adugi design da adugi model da hausena akoi sakarna anak lokalak pahawni.
The Education Minister further said the department will start off by paying special attention to some selected schools from both hills and valley. The department will try to improve the quality of education in these schools by working on the shortages in terms of facilities and school faculties. Efforts are being made to start the program as soon as possible. He appealed to the people to extend all possible help in trying to make the special program a success.
School education da wala kiba mayam akon uraki mayam si thengna handana akoi ki afaba Manipur ma sem na bagi adugi pandam ne masri sida mipung khuding ungna praja khuding ungna akoi ki hana so contribute to birai sajo pibi dana saruk ya biraga afaba education aduma quality level education nama phanganba tungi na haron na phanganmada saruk ya biu mateng pangbiu haina appeal tawjari.
ANCHORl took out procession in protest against the CA bill from its office at Kwakaitel. Volunteers of Irabot Foundation Committee on Human Rights, Poirei Lemerol, Amova, Meva, Mekpal and Amuk also took part in the procession. Security personnel made the procession to return back to Kwakaitel after they were intercepted at Kesampat Junction. Talking to Tom TV News, President of ANCHORl, P.H. Devan, appealed to the people to stay prepared to take part in a mass agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016.
Manipur miyamna amato na lepaganda ay kogi punsi ay kogi iraipa ay kogi miyam kan mangangani Bharat ki constitution ay kogi changak pin na bagi provision ma khode yaude mogi wakhalon de yaude aduna ay koi siba changba khangna ay koi ek chigi adugum loba bill sina ek olak tringai mikup sidai sida ay koi punna saruk yamin nadra awang nongpo ki miyam na su ihok tawraga adugum loba ihok yaudраga di democratic oiba khongjangna mana tadraba democracy ni hariba dictatorship manba asigum lainga ase masi miyam singina khangjin biraganda ai koi ihong natna atopa lambel laite habje ai miyam da thamjari.
Meanwhile, altercation broke out as security personnel intercepted volunteers of AMSU, a group of protesters trying to take out vehicle rally with black flags around 2 p.m. at the DM College gate near Thao Ground.
Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live AMSU! Long live MSF! Long live Desa! Long live
Cordon and search operation continues ahead of Republic Day celebration in state. Here's a report.
CDO Bazar Mobile Unit, led by Additional SP Operation TH Krishna Tombi, has been conducting cordon and search operations ahead of Republic Day celebration in state. Similar search operations were conducted in Uripok Machin near Hindu Hotel and Naganala areas. The search operation at Uripok Machin was conducted from 7:50 to 8:20 this morning. In all, 172 persons were verified, while 18 persons were picked up for further interrogation. Later, the police team conducted search operations in Nagamapa Lai Isingsaivi area near Naganala from 8:25 to 8:54 this morning. Altogether, 89 persons were verified, while 13 were picked up for further verification.
And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
School IPS
My school is a quality-based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches a student in higher classes.
Hey, my son, the IPS ki boarding the English ki command to Pajana lady, lyrics you am personality, talent to Pajana lady.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipu da leba IPS Hybrid Impal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbio Loinan Apapa Bahiroi Bayanbio.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Yapote lobu zakharba natro
zakhrima
aduidi cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
bishondu butot pelorabadi injangi di thawraga lorabane adu ima dukandagi bishondugo machanduga leibirogera
hoi hoi ima lobirurake bungo besolamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdong gi posuere pojan ju yaudre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, mithi jira powder, amadi hairibo. Loinana sa masal amadi machala powwa. Mayang mamanadaba packaging system so oraba. Manipur da yan anboina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration toraba KSI gi product tam sizinabiu.
Sina khwai de hena pharena boni na pire inni
ima KSI product city yam phabane.
Welcome back. AR apprehended woman along with brown sugar and heroin worth around 92 lakh rupees at Kuding Thabi checkpost on Imphal Mori Road. The woman came in a Maruti van wearing registration number MN02B5817. A one-day free Ayush homeopathy medical camp was held at Bengal Upper Primary Madrasa today. It was jointly organized by Manipur Health Mats and Ayush Hospital, Singzame under the aegis of Directorate of Ayush. Free medical checkup and treatment were made available to the locals of Khetri Awang Ching, which was recently evicted altogether. 10 medical staffs, including 1 doctor and some paramedical officials, took part in the camp. President of Manipur Helmets, K. Sakil Ahmed said, no one has ever bothered thinking about the locals of Awang Ching, and the camp was held to prevent seasonal outbreak of various diseases in the area.
Medical camp masih poda like akoina misani kai de sahum pawa yeng na bai pandam tawjabani ado hojik aduga akoi gi lai evicted victim ma'am hai tare na layeng balaya ma'am sida koi free da medicine piba aduga moi gi haibadi anaba kai kai lai ga habadu consult tawraga si ma'am si tawna ba hona jabani.
The third Indo-Myanmar Cleanliness Drive was held at No Man's Lane on Indo-Myanmar border today. The Cleanliness Drive was held with an objective of maintaining good ties between the two countries. Volunteers cleaned the areas from Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate till the No Man's Lane. DC of Tengnopal District, Haisrupa Chandra, SP of Tengnopal District, Dr. S. Ibomcha, ASP Robinson, other officials and workers of various CSOs based in Mori took part in the drive. On the other hand, DC of Tamu Mien Tin, Commandant of Myanmar Army, Forest Department, SP Tamu and other officials also took part in the cleanliness drive. SP Dr. S. Ibomcha said the cleanliness drive was launched by the authorities of both countries to improve ties between the two nations.
Praja Mori Praja amasung Myanmar gi Praja punam yauna khoi cleanliness drive asi tawkhre aduga masi akoina makha chu chathajagi gani aduga masi akoina Indo Myanmar khoi friendship si masi mari si henganaba adugi dam takhoi tawjabani aduga khi mayam nasu khamasi cooperation mayam ama khoi pibire hojik jung chu chathari aduga sai pung 3 tagi hojabani khoi gi cleanliness drive.
A one-day consultation meet cum discussion on the theme Human Trafficking and Drug Menace was held at the Convention Hall of the Trade Center in the Mori today. The consultation meet was jointly organized by Manipur State Legal Services and High Court Bar Association. Speaking at the consultation meet, Major R.K. Sarma of 43 AR said that various illegal activities, including drugs peddling, is highly prevalent in the border area due to improper border fencing. As such, the fencing work needs to be completed as soon as possible.
They will be rewarded, then some items will be bought for them and to find out the cause and reasons and then to find out the solution. Now for which today, this program is being arranged so that all the stakeholders are present today. We can discuss the problems faced by you all and we can find out the solution. Now therefore, I will not take much time on this because all stakes are present here. Now we have to discuss.
SP Dr. S. Ibomcha, ASP Robinson, SDPO Sandeep Gopaldas, Justice K.S. Nobin of Manipur High Court and other officials attended the consultation meet.
And they will be
Communist Party Manipur has said that the Chief Minister visited to the national capital to attend the National Council meeting in Ramlila Maidan to ask the centre to withdraw the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 is a big lie to the public. In another news, the whereabouts of two workers engaged in culvert construction work in Noni Part 5 of HBS Construction Company kidnapped by suspected armed ZUF cadres on 10 of this month are still unknown so far. Such operations are underway at various places in Noni to rescue the kidnapped workers. And now let's have a short break.
DS Enterprises Kaisamtung na Sinzaba Winter Festival Kwakatel Tidim Grounda Anobu Jahigi Haraw Nungay Marakta Pangtuk Lagani Pukning Sigsinangay Oiraba International Stall Sing Indigenous Food Item Handloom and Handicraft Angang Sing na Kalak Charaba Tongan ba Item Sing VIP Store Asna Singba Kaya Asna Festival Asigi Top ba Saktam Oiri Langsing View, Sarup Yabiu, DS Enterprises Kaisamtungi Winter Festival Wakatel Tedim Ground December Pungataruk Tagi
Machalgi Sasenaba Products Singdagi Jackson View Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Machalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata laizade KSI na puthokpa Machalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu lalamung makhong takhelamam lekai Rims Road Factory Thangwaiban Senam lekai haina thari basin nattaba atopa amata machal gi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi cheksinbiu hena kupa marol khangnaba lengsinbirau machal Kanglaipak Spices Industry Lalambung Makhong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam Lekai near Lamphel Lampak natraga logon tobiu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina healthcare products singi fangpham Diagnomed Instruments Healthcare Systems Registered Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001 Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001 Complete range the surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, autoclaves, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari. Terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385205690 amadi 7085776993. Aikoi email diagnoins@gmail.com. Khudong chaba simangan biganu. Diagnome Instruments Healthcare Systems.
Welcome back. In what could mean setback to the center, former bureaucrat MP Bez Barua has refused to be a part of the 9-member panel, which was set up by the Home Ministry on January 7 to suggest ways to implement Clause 6 of Assam Accord. This decision of Bez Barua, who was meant to head the committee, came after 4 of the 9 members quit the central government nominated committee. Bez Barua, in his letter to the Home Ministry, stated that with 4 members of the panel exiting, the committee is non-functional and de facto defunct, adding that his position as chairperson is untenable. The Assam Accord is a memorandum of settlement signed between representatives of the governments of India and leaders of the Assam movement. The agreement was signed in New Delhi on August 15, 1985 in the presence of the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi to identify and deport illegal immigrants. Uttar Pradesh powerhouse Akhilesh Yadav and Mayawati, bitter rival turned partners in polls, today announced their mega alliance, deliberating the first opposition front to take on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the national election due by May. This press conference will give Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President Amit Shah sleepless night. Mayawati began after the two leaders smiled together for the cameras. Nearly 25 years ago, Akhilesh Yadav Samajwadi Party and Mayawati Bahujan Samaj Party BSP had an acrimonious falling out after their Sekhi coalition government in Uttar Pradesh crashed. Last year, the two parties decided to team up for important by-polls that were prestige battles for the ruling BJP and found that together they can be unbeaten. And now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express, 4 hurt in police action against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 protesters. Bills not contradictory, says BJP. Stop recruitment process of government college principals, says Atsum. Charge sheet submitted against 10 policemen. The People's Chronicle. 4 suffer injuries as students march against CAB. Ousted CBI Chief Burma quits. Slams to committee. Sit-in demands CBI probe into killing of 5. CBI charge sheet 10 CDOs in 2009 fact encounter case. Imphal Free Press. Rally taken out at Quairamban Market, decrying Citizenship Amendment Bill. MMWO burns copies of bill. MSDF condemns CAB, appeals for immediate assembly session. 10 corps charge-sheeted in fact encounter case. MHRC serves appearance notice to executive engineer and 2 others. Communist Party of India CPIM demands withdrawal of Citizenship Amendment Bill. The Morning Bell. Protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill grows. NESO to observe Black Day today. 4 including students injured in protest demonstration. Citizenship Bill is political manifesto of BJP, says CPIM. The Socialist Students' Union of Manipur demands BJP MP's standpoint, calls for immediate Assembly special session. NESO to observe Black Day today. MSDF calls for special Assembly session to discuss Citizenship Amendment Bill. Manipur Mail, protest against Citizenship Bill. Many injured in police firing. Speaker wants researchers, farmers work in tandem.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Government to launch Go to School program with an aim to bring about quality education in state. Student organizations, civil bodies take out procession against CA bill. And MP Bez Barwa refuses to be part of suggested panel for implementation of clause of 6 of Assam Accord. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.